We guide you through how to change your password or PIN in Windows 10 step by step in this 2026. So, let's start by clicking the Start menu and open the settings. Then go to the accounts and select Sign In options, where you'll see a different ways to sign in to Windows. From here, choose password to change your Windows 10 password or select PIN, then Windows Hello. If you want to change or reset your PIN instead, follow the on screen instructions, verify your current password, and enter a new secure password or PIN. This method works for both local and Microsoft accounts and is if perfect if you're using a laptop or desktop in 2026. Make sure to save your new login details and restart your PC to confirm the changes.